Welcome everyone to today's video of Tech It Simple. Hey there, it's our professionals. Are you looking for the video on how to log into the Appogee HR website? Just watch this complete tutorial video. In order to get logged into the website, to do this, you need to go to your Google Chrome and search for Appogee HR login. Let me type it really quickly. Here you can see the many search results over here. As we want to log into the website, click on this portal login ALCR link. Here you can see two options for the login, Employee Manager Login or Client User Login. If you are a client user, then you can enter here. Else if you are an employee manager, login enter in this link. You are redirected to the login page, and here is a form where you have to fill in the username. Let me fill it as tempuser. If you want to get remembered next time, click on this Remember My Username and click this Next button. After that, you need to fill your password. Make sure your password is correct, and if you forgot your password, you can click on this Forget My Password. Also, it simply logs into the website, and if all the credentials are correct, you'll be logged in on this website. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.